Next big opportunity, especially security engineering minded security professionals should start to potentially take, is building out AI solutions for security. This is obviously a much more complicated path, but there's a lot of rewards and dividends that you can receive if you start to shape your capabilities to either engineer products around AI or internal workflows, even to start with take existing knowledge bases, vulnerability reports. I think internally use of AI in security is only going to increase. You need to have skills like LangChain, use vector databases and all of that stuff. So once you have these capabilities, you should be able to customize AI-based solutions for a lot of different things like optimizing security incidents. Companies are going to build out AI solutions, and security is definitely a domain where AI solutions be built. So it could be you that is helping them gaining a much larger traction for your solution development capabilities on top of AI, especially for the niche of security engineering.